Okay, found the cause of the error, and that is, let's see, let's go back to that. It didn't have text. Forgot to put in text equals yes. So I was talking about it as I did it, but I forgot to put it in there. So now we'll save that. Let's run it. Let's check that, check.py, and there it is. So we've just got that. Okay. Now I'm just wondering about a button. I'm wondering now. I'm just wondering what I mean about a button. So I'm going to call it btn equals button. We're going to put that in window. Text will say click, and the command will be I don't know, return, for example. The reason I'm doing this is because I think this is how we get to put back a value. So now over here, I'm going to have a function, subroutine method, whatever, called return. Or I may not use return. Return check. Return check. And I'm going to say in return check we print check var. No, we need to get check var. Sorry. We're going to say check status equal check var dot get. So we're getting the start. So we're getting that. And now we're going to say print. Oops. Print check status. Well, let's see if that works. Now we're going to say btn dot pack. Let's see if that works. So if it works, and I'll talk you through what's going on there. Okay, there's an error. Check status defined. Try that again. Okay, so that's what I was able to do. And you do the same thing with the radio buttons that I made before. So for this, what's happening here, if I can move it, make it too damn small. Okay, so what we're seeing here is what I've done is I have, in order for us, it's as though Python doesn't let us check status of things on the fly. It has to be executed somewhere. So what's happening now is that the button, so check button is turned on when ticked or whatever, and that sets the check var variable to something. So now what we're doing here is we're saying check status becomes check var dot get. So this could be called anything, doesn't matter what it is, but this is a variable where it stores this data, and this dot get is the condition that the checkbox is in, or this variable check var is in. So it's either 1 or a 0, which is why we call it an integer. And all of this does, this button, all it does is that it reads this subroutine or this function, whatever we want to call it, and it just checks the state. So it takes in, it reads whatever is in the checkbox, check status, and then it prints into this thing called print status, and then it prints it out. And that's how we can see whether it's a 1 or a 0, and that's when you use you'd be able to use ifs from there to say if something's happened, if it equals 1 or if it equals 0, do something. But that's the way your check buttons or your checkboxes work.